Hey my friends, this is Daniel Alley, and today I want to talk with you about how to make $1,000 a day. Yes, my friends, I know you're probably asking, do you actually make $1,000 a day? And I can tell you with all certainty, I've done it so many times for so many years, and I want to help you to get prepared and learn exactly what you need to do to make $1,000 a day. So please listen up. The first thing you need to do is to ask yourself, is what I am doing today actually going to help me to prepare myself to make $1,000 a day? Because most of the times, the majority of people are confined to a job. They're stuck with one stream of income, and they don't know how to navigate outside of that because they know that that job is going to pay their bills. But my question for you is, if you want to make $1,000 and you're not close to doing it with the job that you're working at, then why are you continuing at that job? Why are you still there? What are you doing to get prepared? You see, if you want to make $1,000 a day and there's no way that you could do it with the current position that you have right now, then you need to remove yourself from that situation and put yourself into a better position. Now let's assume that you do have the right job. You do have a side hustle. You do have a business that you know can help you to get to where you want to be, to make $1,000 a day. Now where do you go from here? Well, it's very simple. You have to ask yourself, does this opportunity actually align with my natural talents? Because there's so many people that are just looking up how to make $1,000 a day that are not doing things that they're naturally good at. Maybe you see things out there. You might see e-commerce. You might see Airbnb rentals. You might see certain freelancing gigs that you can take. You might see Amazon affiliates and so many different opportunities. But my question for you is, how many of them actually align with your natural abilities, with your natural gifts, with your natural tendencies and skills? Because so many people just throw themselves into money-making opportunities because they see the money. That's all they want, the money. Well, if you try to do that, most likely you're gonna fail because you're gonna pursue something that's not naturally suitable for you. And that's why so many people of desperate mindsets end up working for opportunities that they fail at, because they pursue opportunities that have nothing to do with their natural desires and inclinations in their life. So my friends, the first question I want you to ask yourself is, what are my natural gifts? What are my actual skills that I have right now that I can grow to the next level so I can multiply it and eventually find a lucrative industry that can help me to make $1,000 a day? Now, the next question I want you to ask yourself is, can I do this for the next 12 months? Can I do this for the next 12 years? You know, I was talking to someone that wanted to get into entrepreneurship the other day. And they said, Daniel, I'm gonna try to work on this networking marketing opportunity. They asked me to spend $1,000 and I feel like I can make $5,000 a month. And if it doesn't work out within 90 days, I'm just going to quit. So I asked them the following questions. Do you know anyone who has done the things that you want to do within a 90-day period? They said no. Then I asked them, how do you know that this is going to happen and manifest in the way that you expect it? He said, I don't know. Then I asked him, are your natural talents, skills, and abilities aligned with the products that you're selling and the industry that you want to enter? He said, absolutely not. Then I asked him the final question. Are you going to commit to this product, to this service, to this industry for the next 12 years, even if you don't make any money with it at all? And he said, definitely not. Daniel, I understand why I need to get out of this company and pursue new opportunities that are more aligned with who I'm meant to be. You see, my friends, there's so many ways to make money, but the real question is, do you actually want to do it? Do you actually want to go that route? Do you actually want to talk to these kinds of people and sell this kind of product and enter this kind of marketplace? So many people just see the money, they don't understand the process. But if you understand the process, then the profit will eventually come. If you understand how to utilize your gifts and talents and abilities, then opportunities will flow into your direction. If it's meant to be, you will naturally attract that which will help you to earn $1,000 a day. So all I'm saying is this: don't go about the world searching for how to make $1,000 a day. What you need to do is focus on how you can make $10 a day on the side, then eventually $100 a day, and eventually $500 a day until you get to $1,000 a day. No one just jumps to $1,000 a day. For me, it took several years to get there. But for you, you have to figure out what your talents are and how you can use your talents to get to the level of financial success that you want in your life. So there you go, my friends. That is how you make $1,000 a day. There is no other answer that you can possibly search for, because this is the truth, and I'm sharing it with you today. This is what I did. This is what everyone else does, and this is how it will always work until the world comes to an end. My friends, this is Daniel Ali, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with someone else that absolutely needs it. Don't be desperate for money. Understand that money is abundant, it has your name on it, and it will flow into your direction once you understand how to use your natural gifts and skills in order to attract it. My friends, you got this. If it's meant to be, then you will start to see that you will find a way to make $1,000 a day. I'll see you at the bank. Take care.